Hi, I'm McKenna Leveling, and I'm going to be presenting my project for my computer literacy class. And as you can see on the first slide, it says my name, computer literacy, spring 2021, with Professor Tarver. Let me press play. All right. So next is my event. So my event is a wedding shower, and I did a wedding shower invite, and right there you can click the link and it'll bring you to the website with my shower invite, but I'll do that at the end. Alrighty, my description of my event. The event I chose was my oldest sister's wedding shower that will be held on May 5th, 2021. This event is celebrating her upcoming wedding that will be held on June 26th of 2021. Next is how the event was discovered. Well, I knew of the event because obviously it's my sister's wedding and I'm one of the bridesmaids. And the details that are required to promote this event is sending out the invites to inform people of the upcoming event of my sister's bridal shower. All right. What I have learned from this, because of this assignment, I've become proficient in using PowerPoint, and I learned how to make invitations on Word. And I can use these skills in many aspects of life, especially since I'm going to be a teacher. And I feel like this computer literacy class has helped me a lot with learning computers because I've been terrible with them my whole life. But as a teacher, and especially now in the pandemic, using technology is vital, and I wouldn't be able to make it as a teacher if I didn't know how to use any of these softwares. Skills that I used from the class to make this presentation is obviously how to make this PowerPoint, and I used information that I learned in the Module 6 presentation software. And during our Module 6 presentation software, I learned how to properly make slides, add pictures, add transitions on PowerPoint, and do a lot of cool things that I didn't even know that you could do on PowerPoint. Next is what I could have done differently. You can always have room to improve, and one thing I could have done differently is add my contact information and included my name, number, email, etc. But looking back at it, I wish I would have done that, but I didn't. Let me move my icon. I think I could have added a little more details just to make the presentation a little more eye-catching. Let's see. So that's it for my presentation. Actually, let me go back and show you the pictures. Or not the picture, the invite, sorry. Let me go back through. But after I show you this, y'all can ask any questions that y'all might have about this PowerPoint. Sorry. Also, another thing I wish I would have changed is putting this at the end. Let's see. So it's pulling up. So this is the wedding invite that I made. And so it has my sister's wedding shower, and it says the marriage celebration of Kelsey Leveling and Zach Postoke, when and where. And now let's all right. And any more questions or anything that needs to be answered about the presentation or the PowerPoint, just let me know. And y'all have a good day.